Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Wow, we are the first today, mashallah. So are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready, Nan?
Yes.
Good job. So the first question you will take because you come the first today.
Okay.
Just 1 minute. I will wait for the others to join, then we can start. Hello, Mati. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you ready for the competition today?
Yeah, I'm ready. But teacher, I have a question. When are the
Ask.
exams? When are the exams like for the kangaroo?
The exams before the exams before 2020, 2021 on the website for the kangaroo.
Okay.
You need the link.
Yeah, because
You can find them on the drive for the students.
I don't know like how to find it, but I'm gonna look for it. It's because my friend did the exam.
Okay, we'll try to. Yeah, this is the exams before. I take the questions from them and explain for you. But if you wanted to try with yourself, I can send you the link in the WhatsApp. For my school, I already uploaded these exams on the drive. I don't know about your school.
Okay.
But I will try to send you in the WhatsApp in the chat box. I will try to send the link for you. Okay. Now I will share the screen with you, and we will start. This question with the 4 marks. Already you are smart enough, so I leave all the 3 marks. We finished from all the questions with the 3 marks. Now we will start with the questions from 4 marks. Banan, you come the first today, so can you read the question?
Okay.
Then we can solve together.
The numbers from 1 to 10 have to be placed in the small circles on one in each circle. Numbers in any two neighboring circles must have the same sum as the numbers in the two diametrically opposite circles. Some of the numbers are already placed. What numbers should be placed in the circles with the question mark?
So which number will be on the question mark? Remember, from 1 to 10 will be on the circles, but each two numbers, neighbor, will be the same addition for the other numbers on the opposite. So now, what will be the number in the missing number? I will give you a minute to think, then I will take your answer on that chat box, then we can solve together. So what's your opinion, Banan? بعتي لينا. I'm thinking with you. Think again. Which number will be here? Now I will take from the chat box. No one is correct till now, so try again. Try again. Till now, no one is correct, so try again. Okay, now Banan, can you help me?
Yes.
How can I think about this question? Hello, Joanna. Hello, Rima. Just join us with this question. Till now, no one taken marks, but from here, from now, 4 marks for each true answer. Now, how can I think about this? Remember, the numbers is from 1 to 10, and each two neighbors numbers is the same addition, the same summation for the other opposite two numbers. So now, which number will be here? I will try to complete all the circles. So which number will be here, Banan? Banan, you answer because today you come the first. So which number will be on the circle?
I don't know.
Why? We said each two neighbor numbers is the same summation for the opposite two numbers. So now the summation for 1 and 10 is
8.
11. So the other numbers must be 11. 5 and how many give me 11?
6.
So now we canceled C. Now let's try to complete the others. If I wanted to get this from here to and which number is the same summation for two missing numbers, so I cannot make this. And from here, yeah, I can lock 10 and which number is the same for 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 equals how many, Banan?
14.
14. So 10 plus how many give me the same answer? 10 plus what?
10 plus 4.
Now we canceled another choice. So now between 3 and 7 and 8, I have 3 missing numbers. Let's try to get this number. No, because the opposite number is missing also. So let's try to bring this number. What's your opinion? Now, 1 plus how many is 2 plus 6? So 2 plus 6 equals
8.
1 plus how many give me the same answer, 8?
1 plus 7.
So now I canceled 7. So the choice is between 3 and 8. Let's try. If I write here 8 and of course it's gonna be 3 here. Let's add 4 plus 3 is 7. The opposite? 9? No, 9 is more than. So let's try to replace. I will write here 3, and here it's going to be 8. So let's add now. 4 plus 8 equals 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is
12.
Banan. 3 plus 9 is 12. 4 plus 8 is the same answer, 12. So now the missing number is
3.
no one say A. So all of you lose the 3 marks, the 4 marks. Any question about this? Any
No.
questions? All of you understand? Okay, let's go to the next question. This is easy, but with a one condition. When Lokara the bat leaves her cave, a digital clock shows 20 hours and 20 minutes. When he returns and is hanging upside down, down, down looks like this. Her eyes is down. He says 20 hours and 20 minutes on the clock again. How long he been away from the cave? So the time starts on this, but the time ends on this when we looking down. The time starts at 20 and 20 minutes, and ends at what when I looking down? Think now. Don't say A or B or C or D. I just need now the time he returns. So you can write in the chat box, the time he returns is how many? When he looking upside down. No one knows? Try to look like this and you will find the number. Rima, Joanna, Lena, excellent. Good job, Lena. So you can continue with me. Lena.
Yes.
Yeah. Now you said the time ends is 2 and 2 minutes. Now let's subtract from the time. Let's count the time. 20 is 8. So it's going to be 8 and 20. Let's count from 8 to 12. It's going to be how many? From 8 to 12?
4.
4. Okay. So it's going to be 4 hours and 20 minutes. Now, from 12 to 2 o'clock, it's going to be 2 o'clock again, 2 hours again, 2 hours extra, and 2 minutes. Sorry for the mic. Again, Lena with me. Lena. Yes.
Yes.
This is the clock. 12, 8, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now from 8 to 12, it's gonna be how many?
4.
4. But you take from the 1 hour 20. From 8 to 12, it's 4 hours. But there is 1 hour you take 20 minutes. So it's going to be 3 hours and 40 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Again, from 4 to 12, from 4 to 12, you said it's 4 hours. Okay, but it's not 8 hours. It's 8 and 20 minutes. So you have 1 hour, you take 20 minutes. So now you have a 3 hours and 1 hour, you take 20 minutes. So 40 minutes are left. Till now you understand? Till now you understand? Okay. Now from 12 to 2, it's 20, it's 2 hours. And 2 minutes, let's add 3 hours and 40 minutes plus 2 hours and 2 minutes. The total will be how many, Lina?
5 and 42.
How many hours? 5
5
hours. And how many minutes?
42.
And how many minutes? 42. So which one? Let me see. It's D E, but sorry, it's E, but E is doesn't clear. So it's gonna be E. 5 hours and 42 minutes. Any question about this? Any questions?
No.
Any questions? You understand how to think about this? All of you understand?
Yeah.
So only the point about this question is when you're looking down to found the time, look at return. Also, this hour, remember you take 20 minutes, so you will not make any mistakes. Let's go to the next question if no one has a question about this. Easy. All of you will solve. The brothers appeal and Chain met. Appeal always says honestly, while Chain always lies. They both said exactly one of the following sentence. Which one? Which one is the truth when they said the two? I'm telling the truth. You are telling the truth. We are. We both are telling the truth. I always lie. One and only one of us is telling the truth. Which one is true? They both said exactly one of the following sentence. Now I'm waiting. You can think. Hmm, I'm waiting. Only Lati answered. This is not about math. This is about thinking. Think again. Hello, Frida. You are late now. Just join us with this question and remember from now, each heart has 4 marks. Now read the question and think which one, yeah, which one of the of this sentence are true. Hello, Irene. On this session, you'll try with yourself at the first and write the answer on the chat box. If you take a heart, that means you take 4 marks. After that, we solve together and I explain the question. So now the brothers appeal and chainmate. Appeal always says honestly, but chain always lies. They posted exactly one of the following sentence. Which one? I'm telling the truth. You are telling the truth. We both are telling the truth. I always lie. one and only one of us is telling the truth. Lena, you take the heart. It's A. When Appeal say I telling the truth, he is right. When a chain say I telling the truth, he is lie and he always lie. So this is true for them. I'm telling the truth. They are always say the same sentence. Appeal is honestly and chain is lie when they said I'm telling the truth as always. So now, who would take the heart?
Teacher.
Lena. Wow, 2 hearts for Lena till now.
Teacher.
Any questions? Hmm?
Yeah. Why is it not C? It's because Cain always lies.
We both are telling the truth.
Yeah.
If Appeal say that we both are telling the truth, that means Chen is telling the truth? No. Then Appeal will lie because Chen not telling the truth. The sentence each one of them will say must be truth. So always Appeal say I'm telling the truth. Always Chen say I'm telling the truth. Always Appeal is honest. Always Chen is lie when they said the same sentence.
Okay.
It's not about math. It's about thinking. So I'm not playing with the numbers here. Okay, let's go to the next question and play with our numbers. We all love the numbers. Rima, we have Rima question. Rima has exactly 10 white cubes, 9 gray, 8 dark, all of the same size. She glues all these cubes together to build a big cube. One of the cubes below is only one she built. Which one is true between them? Remember, 10 white, 9 gray, and 8 dark. So which one is the Rima build exactly true? It's about the numbers and counting the cubes. 1 minute to think with yourself. After that, we will solve. Till now, Lena take 2 hearts and who else? Joanna 1 heart. Only this? No one take more hearts? I'm waiting. Only Areen and Lati solving till now. Where is Rima? Your
Wait, I'm
question.
doing it.
Freda, Lena. Okay, I don't say anything. I just encourage you.
Okay, I'm sorry. That's what happened. Like if
I'm
we put the,
waiting.
but Miss, look, the cube. We need to kind of push like in the back. Does it have anything?
Mm. No, you
Question.
will just count, and if you found the same number, that means this is true.
Ah.
Mm. Now, all of you try. I will say the answer.
No, wait.
Hello, Donna. Why you are late today? We missed you. Okay,
I'm
for
sorry,
all of you,
teacher.
please think again. Okay, now for this question, please think again.
No, wait, teacher, wait.
Think again which one is true. Remember, 10 white, 9 gray, 8 dark. Mm. Remember, you have only 90 minutes in the exam, so you have to think very quickly. From 11 to 20, you have 4 marks for each question. So now we are on the middle. Okay, let me say, think with you. Joanna, can you think with me, please?
Okay.
Okay, how can I think about this question? For me, I will count the numbers. 10 white, 9 gray, 8 dark. So let's count the dark here. Let's count the dark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9 dark. Is it true?
No.
Cancelled. Down. Let's count the dark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it true? 9 dark?
No.
Cancelled. Let's count the gray because we don't have dark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 gray. Cancelled. From here we have 2 dark. Maybe there is more dark down. So let's count the white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 white.
No.
Mistake. Okay, let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, 10 white. And uh, the gray, for me now, it's 6, but maybe the rest of the 9 is down. So it's going to be B. Joanna, Banan, take the heart. Donna, you change your answer, but I will give you the heart. Now, any question about this? Anyone wants to
No.
ask? So when you found the cubes question, because all the exams has a cube question, you have to count. Okay?
Okay.
All the exams forever have the cube question. This is a smart question. This question is about adding and imagine. This is a hint for you. The diagrams show 5 paths from X to Y marked with the thick line. Which path is the shortest one? For me, I will give you a hint. If I think this is 1, so you will count. And I will think the first circle, I will take each quarter as a 1. The second circle, I will take each quarter as a 2. And the third circle, I will take each quarter as 3. And from here, you can count. This is a hint for you to make the answer easier. So I will suppose the measure for each one as 1 and 2 and 3. Now you can think. Love you, Auntie. If it's correct, it will be good. If it's not correct, the important for me to think. But you can think again. Think again. Elati, think again only. I'm waiting for all of you to think, then I can give you the answer. C or B, Donna, in the exam you can only choose one. C or B, not the two. So you can think now. Okay, the last 10 seconds.
Teacher, can you please give me more time?
More time. We have more examples
Just
for
a
the
little,
smartest girls in the world.
just a
Okay,
little.
Joanna, take a half a minute for you. Okay, let me think with you.
Wait.
What's your opinion?
I'm gonna put my answer. Hold
To
on.
save your time, you can think with me. You can answer in the chat box when you're thinking with me, okay?
Oh, I know. I'm gonna put it in.
From here, 1, 2, another 2 will be 4. From here, 2, so it's gonna be 6. 6 and 3, 9. 9 and 3 be 12. Teacher, you don't count this. When I look, I found all of them have 5 pieces from this. So I neglect this piece. Okay, from here, 1 and 2, it's gonna be 3. From 2, 5. 5 and 3, 8. 8 and 3, 11. Okay, let's see from this. Now I give you the hearts. Farida, Lati, Areen. Excellent. Areen, can you solve number C with me? Areen, can you solve number C with me? Okay, Areen. 1, 2, another 2 will be 4. 6.
Yes, teacher.
6 and 3. Yeah, 6 and 3 will be 9. So till now, this is the shortest path. If you try with the same way for D and E, you will find C is the shortest one. Is it true?
Teacher, do not.
You try
do
all
not
of them. Is
phone-
it true?
Teacher, do not.
Yes,
phone
teacher.
me, and you didn't give her a heart.
No, Donna say C. I give her a heart. Banan C and Donna down to C, but up she choose. You will find the heart with the letter C for Donna. But till now, any question about this? You understand, or you wanted to continue D and E? And remember, each heart with the 4 marks. So now D and E, A and B and C, we try. D and E, 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, 12. From here, if you try, you will find it more than 9. So only C is the shortest one. Any questions? Anyone wants to ask? For any questions, you can ask me on the chat box also. Let's go to the next. This is very smart question. For me, I can give you 5 marks if you solve this correctly. A father kangaroo lives with his 3 children. They decide on all matters by vote, and each member of the family gets as many votes as its age. The father is 36, and the children are 13, 6, and 4 years old. So the father always wins. How many years will it take for the children to win if they all agree? So now 36 is the old of the father, so he always win. The children are 13, 6, and 4. After how many years they will win? Now you can think. And to give you a hint, it's about adding.
So, teacher, I add till I get 36 for each number.
Now, on this time, the father 36, so 36 is more than the summation of their old. After how many years they will be greater than the father age?
So all of them like the same number?
Yeah, all of them, if they all agree.
If they all are the same number?
So after how many years? Yeah, after how many years, if you add the age of all of them, it's going to be greater than the father. Farida, Lena, think again. After how many years? Now the father 36 and all of them is 23. So the next year the father will be how many and they will be how many? You will try, keep trying till you found a number is greater than 36 for all of them. Till now, no one is true.
Teacher, is it D?
No. Till now, no one is true. So you can keep trying. Okay, Freda, can you try with me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now the father 36 and all of them is 23. In the next year, the father will be how many?
37.
37.
37. And the total of them will be
30.
27.
30 what?
23 plus 37.
Now the father is 37. And the children, the next year, will be how many?
24.
No, this is the trick. Most of you fall in this. 26. Each one of them get a year. Each one of them get older year. It's gonna be 14 and 7 and 5. So if you add, it's gonna be 26. The next year, the father grew 1 year, so the father will be 38 and they will be 29. The next year, 39, and all of them will be 32. The next year, the father will be 40, and all of them will be 35. The next year, the father will be 41, and all of them 38. The next year, the father will be 42, and all of them will be 41. And the next year, the father will be 43, and all of them will be 44. So after how many years? 7. What?
Teacher, I said C in the chat.
7.
What? Again? No, no one. Yeah, only Banan answered true. No one answered true. Now I found, yeah, Areen and Areen also. Now you understand what the stock when you jump the age for the children, you jump 1 year, but they are 3, so you will jump 3 years. This is why most of you stuck on this question. So now you understand. When you collect all of this, you will found 7 years. You understand now? Any questions? Any questions? If anyone wants to ask about these questions, you can ask me in the chat box also. Okay, let's go to the next. This is about imagination. Tariq has 2 equal pieces of wire of a shape like this. For me, I shape this look like a leg. Which of the following shapes cannot be obtained by, cannot be obtained putting together these two pieces. If I put the two pieces together, which one of them is not true? A or B or C or D or E? You can think about this. It's not about math, it's about imagination. Now, which one of them is not true? Donna, be sure from your answer. But for me, try again. The word or is not in the exam. In the exam, you can only choose one. So now you are in the exam. Which one is true? A or B or C or D is not true, or E. All of you finished? All of you finished? Okay. Who say the last one? I choose العاتي. Excellent. Donna, excellent. Banan, excellent. Banan again, excellent. Ilati, you answered before, okay. So who say E? Rima, no. Excellent. Okay, now why? For question number A, if I cut from this, so it's gonna be two pieces. From here, it's two pieces. From here, it's two pieces. From this side, it's two pieces. But if you cut from here,
Hi, Miss.
it's two pieces. This piece. Hi, Rancy. Why are you out late today? We missed you so much. So all of this session recorded, and you can ask me about anything you don't understand. You can ask me tomorrow in the school, okay? But we missed you. Please try not to be late again.
I'm sorry.
Okay, we love you. No, we love you. Uh, uh, so now E is not correct. It's not from the two pieces. Any questions? All of you understand? Any questions? Let's go to the next. This is a smart question also. It's also about imagination. Hand glow with the 6 stickers showing onto the faces of a cube. A rat, elephant, duck, ladybug, dog, and insect. The picture below showed the cube in two different positions. Which sticker is on the face opposite to the face of the mouth? So what will be the face down here? Which one? Elephant, duck, ladybug, A, B, C, D, E. Donna, you have a question? Donna, you wanted to ask?
No, teacher. I say I don't have any questions.
So now you will try with this question if you don't have any questions. What is the sticker opposite to the mouse? It's about imagination. In front of the mouse, it's gonna be till now, no one answered the true. So you can think again. I'm waiting. But till now, no one answered the true. Okay, let me see with the who can help me. Eladi, can you help me? I wanted to think about this. So can you help me thinking?
Okay.
Okay, if I wanted to think about this, at the first I will cancel the ladybug because I found it 2 times, right?
Yeah.
Also, I will cancel that because it's already next to the mouse. So of course it's not opposite. So now we have the elephant, the dog, and the and this. Now, which one is the opposite of the mouse? When I look at the ladybug look at the dog.
Dog.
So with the same position, the ladybug will down to look at the eyes for the ladybug.
Down.
It looks about the dog. So the same position, the ladybug down will look at the dog. So the dog is the true answer. Any questions? I canceled C because there's in the 2 stickers. I canceled the dog because it's already near to the mouse. So of course it's not the same opposite. And from the ladybug eyes, I found it looking about the dog. So of course from the same position, it will looking about the dog. Any questions? Any questions?
No, miss.
Let's go
No.
to the next question. And thanks for all who say D. This is a smart question also. You can think about this. The picture above showed the friendship of 6 girls, Amal, Basma, Camelia, Dima, Iman, and Fatin. Each number represents one of the girls, and each line is joining 2 numbers represents a friendship. So this is a friendship between 2 girls, and this numbers is for the girls. From this point, you have to focus. Camelia and Dima and Fatin has each have 4 friends. Camelia, Dima, Fatin has 4 friends. Basma is a friend for only 2, Camelia and Dima. So which number is represented for Fatin? Has only 2 friends. Camelia, Dima, Fatin has 4. So which one of them is Fatin? A or B or C? Which number is Fatin? You can write the number or the letter. One minute to think. After that, I will solve with you. Which one? Remember, Camellia Dima Fatin has 4, and each line is represent for a friendship between 2 friends. Basma has only 2. Ransi, Lina, Joanna, I'm waiting. Ilati, you change your answer. So which one will be true, B or D? Because you changed your answer. Okay, Ransi, can you think with me?
Okay.
Okay, let's think now. If I say each line of them is a friendship. So now we say Camellia Dima Fatin has 4. Which numbers has 4? 1 has 4 lines. 2, no. 2 has only 3. 6 has only 3. Number 3 has 4 lines. Number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 lines. So one of them is Camellia, one of them is Diem, one of them is Fatin. Now, who has 2? Because Basma has only 2. So Basma has 2 friends. Now only
It's gonna
5
be
has 2. So this is Basma. Yes. And Basma has a relationship between who? Camellia and Dima. So I think this is Camellia and this is Dima. Now only the left is Fatin. So Fatin will be number 3. Thanks for all who say B. العتيد, Joanna,
teacher.
Farida.
I said B, but after this I said D.
Yeah. Okay, don't change your answer again. So I give a heart for all who say B. Now the next question and the last question, I think. Any question about this?
No.
Look, the questions with the 4 marks
No.
is easy. Oh, this is a good question. Maha bought the same amount of liquid on the 3 rectangle vessels. So all of them is the same amount. View it from the front, but we look from up. They seem to have the same size, but the liquid has risen to different levels in the 3 vessels. Which of the following images represent the 3 vessels when viewed from above? So remember, all these liquids are the same size, but when we look front, it's different. So when we look above, which of this will be the version from above? A, B, C, D, E. All these liquids are the same. All these liquids are the same, but when we look from the front, we found it's different. When we look from above, which one of them is the true? Think again. Till now, no answer is true. Till now, no answer is true. Banan, Lina, Rancy, Arin, Freda. Think again. Okay.
Masa, I answer in the chat 1,000 times, but it's true.
Yeah, I'm just wait for all of you. Yeah, I'm just wait for all of you to think.
It's A.
I'm thinking with you. So it's a excellent, Rancy. But why? Why it's A? Because when I look from here, wow, it's low liquid, but they are the same. So if this is if this seems to us as more, that means this fizzle is small. If this seems to us as a as a low, sorry, if this liquid seems to us as a low, so that means this is wide. Maybe it's not in the middle. So which of them is the same like this? This is wider than this. Only A. So if you found the liquid is little, that means the fizzle is wide. If you found the liquid is more, that means the fizzle is narrow. Right? Any question about this? Any questions? Who say A? Rancy, Lati, Joanna, who else? Freda. Excellent. Okay, remember to collect the hearts as 4 marks. Any questions? Let's go to the last question. This is the last question for today, but this question is for 5 marks. But it's easy, only just with the 5 marks. Each heart you will take with this question will be as a 5. And this is the last question for today. What does the object in the picture looks like when you draw from above? When they look from above, which one of them is the correct? As a hint, think about the black, from the black. As a hint for you, think about the black. I'm waiting. Okay, now you finished. It's gonna be B. Joanna, excellent. And who say B also? Lena, you are the first one who say E. This heart is a 5. Why, teacher, it's not E? Why it's not D? Because most of you choose E and D. If you think from this, I told you, think about the black. So look, from here, it's gonna be the same. Also, I have 2 black lines from this side. I found here. You said E. Okay, I found in E, I found this. But where are the 2 lines as a black? So it's not E. And from D, you will not found the same shape like this. Where? No, I don't found. So it's not E because you don't found the 2 black lines up and down. And from E, no, I don't found this shape. Now you can write for me how many hearts you collect. I know some girls come late today, but try to come early in the next time. So for me till now, how many marks each one collect? I think Lina and Banan, you come the first today, so maybe you collect more, but write in the chat box how many marks you collect. Joanna, 25, Frida, 18. I know Frida, if you come more early, you will collect more. Banan, you collect 16, but thanks for being the first one who come today. MashaAllah, you come before your teacher. Who else? Rima collects how many? Freda, no, Freda, we take Lina. Lina collects how many? All the hearts before is with the 4 marks. Only this question with the 5 marks, because we start from the 21. So thanks, Joanna. Till now, you collect, you get the gold medal. No, Laati take the gold medal. She take 29. So Laati take the gold, and who Joanna, take the silver. Anyone other take the gold? Thanks for all of you being with me today. Thanks for your time. Any questions? I know all of you are smart and all of you will get the full mark of the marks, but you come late today, so try to come early in the next time. Thanks for you today. Any questions? Any questions? Bye. See you tomorrow. Don't be late
Bye.
tomorrow. I will wait for you.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.